Hi guys, it's Rana from online.com with a new video tutorial on ZKTeco Attendance Software. So in this video we'll go to our data management and let's move to our slides. Is data maintenance. So first one is how to we can import attendance data and how we can export attendance data, and the third one is backup database, how we can take backup of the database. Most importantly, so we can import the software data into any file which is a prescribed file format, and also we can export. How we can do it, let's check it. Go to our software. So here is an option of export to files, and give it name. So export attendance data, export attendance, because there is no any data in my machine. Beginning date and all that. Export to files. Go to desktop. Attendance. So we can export. No attendance checking code has been exported. See user, because there is no data, so it's hard what we can export. Okay, when you have a data you can do it. Okay, let me take a backup database. So file name attendance backup. Go to desktop, Microsoft Access database, all file. So it will take your database to let's me so this file, it will take the backup of your data. So when enable it, check it and go through all your tables and data. So when you have a data, so you can double click and check it. So this is the data of your database. So it is empty because there is no log. So you can take your, it's more important, you can take your backup partially, a weekly, a monthly, whatever. So let's move to our slides. Where we are. So backup database, make your, it's the database of that software. It is because they are using access, so it will be in access. So you can take your backup of your complete database and make it sure you have saved it from avoiding any trouble. So this is all that, all the modules are now covered. Data maintenance, machines, and maintenance, employees, departments, and all that. And this is all done. Okay, before leaving, let me check what is changed. If, because this iFace emulator 2 using a CMOS battery time, whenever your machine is power off due to any reason, maybe a electricity shortage or any power interruption, your machine get restarted. Definitely it is 100%, because I am facing that issue. Your machine time will be set it to default. When your machine time is set it to default, your user, your employees, when they mark their attendance, but they software will pick the default dates, any default dates, what, because its default date is set 1900. So you can find cannot find their attendance. This is the main and important thing about the software and attendance machine iFace 702. Whenever your machine get rebooted or because any reason, its time will be set it as a default, and you have to either manually set the times on machine or just sync from your software time to that machine. So you want to sync time, so it will sync my time, synchronization time succeeded. So you can succeed, you sync your time, because if you do not sync your time, software time and machine time will not be synced with each other. So you cannot find the current date of attendance of your employees and user. So this is the main, and you can call it issue and anything of that machine or software. So, and one another thing, okay, count refresh. You can refresh your machine, disabled, enabled, and all that. I think nothing is left. And in the last lecture, uh, I am not going to report because you have to make your there is no data, so I cannot make. There is an option you can make your own reports from that software. You can check your company name and all that, which user you want to take your attendance. Suppose this one. Okay, calculating code, so you can find it. So it's a number 201, date, and check-in check-out. There is no check-in check-out for that time. We have set it 2 month shift for that employee. So you can see there is no report, any attendance log. So you can check the reports, check in, check out what is the time, check in, check out, and normal. A normal it is not a day shift, and other time, real time, late, other altis, absent, OT time, whatever. So you can make your own time reports from that, and also you can export the reports, export data. So you can all export that data. So define list. Okay, let me, which format is giving Excel format. I can export my to Excel format. Okay. Okay, now another thing, report designer. You can design your report, daily attendance statics report, attendance journal reports, many things. Okay, let me take daily attendance report, what it is saying. So you have an option, you can make your report whatever depending on your data given. And what's now it's giving me set it your page format. So company name, date, and port name, and whatever. So okay, let me uh, export to a PDF if you want. Save as, open, which format is first report format, not a PDF format. Okay, so okay, you see you in the next lecture with the complete summary of what we have did and what we have achieved. And until next time, take care and bye bye.